Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today I'm going to be previewing AIComicFactory.com, and on this website you can create your own comic panels with just a simple prompt. If I scroll down, you can see some of the different options that are available right on the website AIComicFactory.com. Now this is a paid service. You can see the pricing model over here and some of the features that provides. But if you just want to play around with this, you can do this directly on the website by clicking the playground. So now once I'm inside my playground, you can see how this website works. So the first thing I'll have to do is to choose a style. You can see that there's several different types of comic book styles that I can create. I guess I'm just going to try this one, modern. Next, we can select our layout. There's a grid with several different panels that I can choose from. I can also zoom out to give you a little bit of a better view here, kind of like that. I'll just take this one. Now I'm going to add my captions in the story, so I can kind of add some text to sort of tell what the story is about. And then the next thing I can do is select the story that I want to create. And my story is the time that Captain America fought a gorilla. Now I'm going to select Go. And as you can see, in just a few minutes, I'll be able to see what comic is generated. Okay, so here we are. This is what was able to be generated. Some pretty cool visuals, but as you can see, some things don't exactly make sense. So take a look at this one right here, this panel right over here. It looks like this is an entire comic page inside this panel. It doesn't quite make sense. What I can do if I don't like this particular panel is I can select this option to go ahead and redraw. And when I select this, it's now going to redraw that panel. And there we go. So now I have a different panel that I can use on the side, and I can just completely redraw as many of these as I want. So kind of a cool feature that will allow you to play around with AI Comic Factory. Now, once you're finished, if you scroll to the bottom, there's a couple different things you can do. You can select this button to print, or you can select this option, and this is going to download a PNG copy of your comic. Here is what this one looks like, and you can use this wherever you want. So this is kind of cool to play around. As you can see, it's not perfect. It's not going to work it's not going to create a comic exactly the way that maybe you had in mind, at least with this free version. But what you may want to do is upgrade to the premium plan. As you see on your screen, things like character consistency and the ability to upload your own picture. But there's also some other features as well, which includes different models. You can see this one, $13.99, support for Flux 1, and several different options as well. So that's it. The website is called AIComicFactory.com. Go ahead, give it a try. And if you do, leave a comment below.